All the costs you need to pay for Canadian immigration. If you are applying for Canadian immigration, but are unsure of the expenses you will have to bear, this video is going to answer all your questions. So, make sure to watch it till the end, as we are going to cover all the primary and other expenses that you may have to pay to get your application for Canadian immigration approved without any delays and problems. Have you applied for a Canadian visa yet? Let us know in the comments. Let's help you learn about the charges you have to bear to immigrate to Canada. First is processing fee. Applicants interested in migrating to Canada are required to pay the processing fee to the provincial or federal government of Canada to have their application reviewed. Now, the charges are likely to vary from less than $100 to thousands of Canadian dollars. The processing fees were increased by the government in 2022, and it further plans to adjust the charges according to the inflation rate in spring 2024. Next is the consultation and representation fee. It goes without saying that you must pay to hire an immigration consultant or lawyer, for which the charges could be anywhere between a few hundred to $1,000. It should be noted that hiring a consultant does not speed up the processing of your application. However, it keeps you from making mistakes, such as misrepresentation of information, that could lead to the refusal of your application. You are strongly advised to hire the right immigration consultant who has all the knowledge to help you. This is because an incompetent consultant can turn out to be a problem instead of a solution. You should also know about the right of permanent residence fee, also known as RPRF, as well as their common law partner or spouse. Although, there may be some exceptions. The existing fee for this is $515 per person. Then we have the biometrics fee. Every applicant is required to give biometrics to be eligible for Canadian immigration in 2023, regardless of their nationality. The existing cost for biometrics is $170 per family and $85 per person. What other expenses should you consider? Medical examination. What's important to note here is that every family member is required to undergo a medical exam. The examination is conducted by a panel physician who charges you for their services. The amount you have to pay to a panel physician depends on the complexity of your medical issues and your location. You must also consider the preparation and translation of documents. These charges apply when you have to get your documents translated into English or French languages by an expert. Additional costs. You should always consider other expenses that might come up as you move forward with the application process. It often happens you may need to visit Canada for exploration purposes, or pay a good faith deposit to specific provinces, hire an accountant, appoint mailing services to send your documents, and so on. Plus, you may need to hire a property appraiser and travel to another city or country for biometrics verification. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Canadian immigration. Share our video on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter.